Alright, so today we're gonna be installing LEDs in headlights. It's not a full headlights. It's just LED strips inserts. So it's Opti 7. Should be pretty easy install. I hope. But yeah, let's try it out, and I think it will look actually pretty damn good. Alright, let's check it out what they have in the box here. I'm gonna make this video pretty simple, pretty easy, not anything super long video. Another tiny little box. What's in here? Remote control, which you could change your headlights any colors you want here. Cool. Alright guys, so basically we could do two option installation, which is this one, which goes into your fuse box. And then there's a fuse cables we connected here, plus and minus. Or we could do through the actual lighter switch, which we're not gonna do this. We're just gonna install it to the fuse box. So let's get to it. Oh yes!
Gio, this is Cassie over here at Stoltz Toyota here in DuBois. Wanted to reach out to you about that 2021 Toyota Corolla that you folks had bought off of us here a couple of years ago. Let you know that it has currently come across my desk as a good position to take advantage of the higher trade values as of late, and also let you know that we happen to have one of the 2022s sitting here on our lot. So if you, by any means, you had thought to yourself, well, with the trade values, maybe I could extend my warranty, lower my mileage, and possibly...
No, I'm not traded in Corolla because it's gone. I got this thing. It's way better. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright guys, so what we did is we put LED strips inside the headlights. We have these connectors here and here and here. So now we're gonna hook it up to these wires, all four wires that we have here. And we're gonna run these wires through this panel here. Make it nice and clean look. Alright, so we are hooked up all the wires to in the middle, and to this box right here we connected to the box. We put some zip ties up here to make everything nice and clean. So in this point right now we're gonna hook up this wire with plus and minus to the box, and then from here we're gonna connect this little wire, fuse wire, which is gonna go into a fuse box, which we'll figure out that in a minute, because there's two options where you could put it. Hopefully I could put it in the right spot and not blow the fuse, but we have a couple extra if we will blow a couple fuses. Alright guys, so basically now we have two connections of a fuse and negative. Which negative we're gonna put it over there, if you can see it, right up here. We'll unscrew this little bolt and put it right up there. Oh yes! Alright, so we're finished with this product. I'm gonna show you the final look on a car. I closed the garage door so that's a little bit darker in here so you can see better. So let's try it out, guys. Ready? Ready? Oh yes. Oh yeah, red looks good on it. That's badass for sure. I like it. Definitely looks nice. This green. Yeah. Orange. There's blue. But yeah, guys, the install was easy. It was only like a half hour. But yeah, guys, if you taking your car on a car shows, that's perfect addition for the car shows. Looks good. It gets that attraction from people. But yeah, I definitely like this a lot. Definitely a good addition on a car. Yeah, I like the red one a lot. Also, guys, you could dim them down. So right now it's like the full brightness, you know. So we could go a little bit dimmer down. So as you can see, it's not as super bright. And again, we're gonna dim it down. There you go. So you could actually, I don't know, maybe drive like that, like when you dim it down a little bit. Doesn't look too bad or distracted on the roads. So here's white. And then we put the brightness back and down. So yeah, that's pretty cool feature. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up with this video, with this install. It was definitely worth it. I like how it looks. Definitely looks wicked. If you have a Challenger, definitely recommend you to do it, especially if you're taking a car on a car show. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for more upcoming videos because we're gonna do another installation on a Challenger, and then after that we're gonna do something on a truck, which is nothing big, probably the last thing actually. We'll see, I'm not sure yet. But subscribe, share, like it, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.